Good morning, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are continuing here. We are gonna put our plasterboard and then insulate it, and the plasterboard we're gonna use is actually waterproof, which is amazing for here because the moisture has not been so bad. The wood is fully dry, there's no signs of mold, there's no moisture on the walls really, there's no dew points, so it means there's no points where moisture is produced. And when we're gonna cover it, it's gonna stay nice chill temperature down there, which means moisture really doesn't produce. It's only if there's a huge temperature difference between the two places, like in summer. But since it is an underground basement, usually you don't have that problem like you have it on ground level basements. Like our neighbors, they have it higher up and then put dirt on top, and they have moisture problems all year round pretty much. But here, as you see, the walls are producing absolutely no moisture. They should be wet with driplets, and there's absolutely nothing. So yeah, let's start off with the plasterboard. Hopefully we can do it pretty quick. The hardest part is getting those giant sheets in here, maneuvering them, and then attaching them. So yeah, and also we have put the shelves already, and they're pretty close to the ceiling, so that's gonna be quite the challenge. But yeah, let's see.
We have to do some rearranging of some bottles. Don't fit.
Okay, so yeah, let's get started with the plasterboard.
Ah, she's attacking! She's like, oh, new area, she hasn't cleaned this piece. Whoa.
Under the rail again. Is it okay?
It looks really nice and proper. So now we have those to fill up.
as you can see, we are done. All the plasterboard is down. And without Despina's mom, this would be a nightmare. So yeah, these two giant ones was the hardest ones. And the rail was not helping, because to get it flush here, the rail was really in the way. So yeah, but at the end of the day, we got it and we have it all up. So now we need to rock wool, but before that we're gonna go eat some snacks and then come back and...
Not snacks, my mom got fruits.
Fruits, yeah.
Fruits.
Snacks still.
Okay, let's go.
Healthy snack.
Healthy snack. And then put the rock wool. Oh, so nice. Looks really nice and proper. Rock roll.
Whoa! Oh. Whoa!
Beautiful.
So as you can see, we have finished insulating. It actually dumping down the sound now. There's no echo, and that's definitely gonna help with the heat and the cold not coming up. Feel like the basement got pretty much twice as cold already because the cold was just rising up and cooling the house down. We still have this giant opening here, so we're still gonna close the door and pack it, but that's gonna help quite a bit to keep the basement colder and to keep this storage room warmer. The next step is the floors, but we're not gonna get to the floors just yet because they are quite expensive. We're getting really fat 50mm boards, so they do not flex at all. We can put really heavy shelves, washing machine, the stove is gonna go in here, so it needs to hold quite a lot of weight. So it's gonna be heavy duty floors, and they are quite expensive because they're dried and they have these clicking mechanism that the floors have. So yeah, we're gonna get those another time. So the next step, we're actually gonna start installing the electricity down there because now it's pitch black down there, so you can't see anything. So we're gonna bring down some lights. We need a switch for the lights, and then the other thing is a plug. We need one, or we're gonna put probably a triple plug. So we're gonna have a nice plug down there so it can run the pump, anything else you need downstairs. But yeah, that's pretty much it with this video. Hope you enjoy. We're gonna see you next time. Bye bye.
I really like how it looks.
Yeah, it looks really proper. Okay, let's go feed animals.